everyone. Okay. Hi everyone. How are you all? Why late? Because I had to make a few calls. My family and everybody, all have been calling me. Hi Eden. They all have been wishing me for 2 million. So guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that 2 million is quite a journey, and I'm super happy, super proud of myself. Also, it's all because of you all who really believed in me, and it's also because of the work I've been doing. It's also because you guys, you've been loving me so much. Eden, I miss you too. You know, as soon as this gets over, we have to dance. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You guys have been a real support, especially the fan pages. They've created such a world for me where I'm only loved. I love you guys. Thank you. And so tell me, as I said, no hello, no hi. Please ask me questions. You all ask me so many questions when, you know, I put up anything, put up any story or do anything, and then I'm not able to reply you all. So this is the time you all need to ask me questions. I'll really answer them. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am super happy. Thank you, fan pages. Thank you so much. Where do you like to go when you eat out? I like fine dining also. I like street food also. It really depends on my mood. When is the MTV project coming? So as we all said, as Varun and I, we already told you guys that the trials have been done and we are just handling some technical issues. So once that is done, we'll start. Hi Abhilasha. Abhilasha is my childhood school best friend. So hi, thank you. Dance, Eden, I want to do some nice contemporary piece, Indo-contemp piece with you, where I know you'll be like killing it. But trolls affect everybody actually. Trolls always affect people. They just say that it doesn't affect, but yeah, effect can be good, can be bad. So yeah, for me it's a mix of good and bad. So whenever I get trolled, I feel like it's okay, and I become a better person. So I know what happens now. Earlier I used to be really crazy. When people used to troll me, I used to go all sad. But then I realized how to get over it. So yeah, now I live a happy life. Yes, I'm working out every day. Eden, no, you can never age. My favorite color is aqua blue or bluish or greenish. Yes, Eden, we have to. Varun Bhaiya tumhare is playing. He's playing basketball like on PS4. Sound sahi nahi aa rahi. Now is it fine? Hello, is it fine now? Just tell me if the sound is fine now. Don't do that. Is it fine now? Most important thing that I carry in my handbag is my perfume. I am obsessed with scents. I love good smells, scents. So yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hi Pranay. We are good. We miss the entire Ragini crew. We keep talking about it. Trust me. Punjabi song Long Lachi. One thing you can't share to Varun. I can share everything to everyone. I don't have secrets in my life because the minute I keep something secret, like related to my life, like if somebody comes and tells me a secret, I will be okay and I'll keep it till I die. But if I have my own secret, I will always share it with everybody. My hair secret is mom सिखनी है, so my hair is pretty and nice. अभी तो मेरे काफ़ी ख़राब हो गए हैं because I use a lot of ironing and stuff. My face looks different because I did not put eyeliner. What was my stream after 10th? I decided that I'll do diploma in engineering. I majorly failed in it. After quarantine, I'll meet Mama, Papa and Prince first. Yes, I watched Carrie's video. Carrie Minati is he goes way too extra, but then I like the way he is. I mean, him as a person. I know him. He's a friend, so I like him as a person. So I know the intention and I know the idea and I know what is going on in his head. So for that, I like him. Oh, Dubai. Anam Sheikh, the reason for this glow is stay at home. I'm not going anywhere. Which makeup brand do you use the most? So I have a lot of foundation choices, and for right now I'm using Derma. It is the cheapest and the best. Like everybody in the industry for serials and for films, they mostly use Derma. Thank you, Ma. My mama's online. Thank you, Rosie. आंखों के नीचे डार्क सर्कल्स इसलिए आ गए क्योंकि हम गधों की तरह पूरी रात जागते हैं और लेट उठते हैं. What's been the best concert you've attended? I think the concert which I attended where in Dubai, where I saw Enrique. लिप शेड वीडियो आई हैव शॉट इट येस्टरडे. मैंने पूरा अच्छी तरह अकेले बैठ के मैंने पूरी शूट की है उसकी, एंड आई हैव गिवन इट टू इक्षित टू एडिट. जैसे ही वो एडिट आएगा आई विल शो यू गाइज. सो आई हैव बीन मेंटेनिंग माई इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल फीड. इफ यू सी, like one side is always videos and the other two are photos. So I've been maintaining that. Favorite part of Ragini is Savitri Devi's character, where I get to play the strong woman who's helping everybody around her. Akshita, I miss you too. I miss puri family. Yeah, the way you guys chill with Dollar, Samaira. Pranav, hi Chetna, कैसी है तू? Guys, Chetna Kapoor, one of my friends who works with Republic TV, she's been working day and night in that news channel, so lots of power to you, girl. You're brave. काली नहीं पड़ी है यार, देख लो अब लाइट में आ गई. अब नहीं लग रहे डार्क सर्कल. तुम लोग को इतनी टेंशन क्यों होती है यार? इट्स ओके, ह्यूमन बॉडी है, होती रहती चेंजेस. आई हेटेड अलजेब्रा. वो अलजेब्रा का कोई यूज नहीं है मेरी लाइफ में. What kind of a role are you looking to play? Oh my god, this is my favorite question and I have so many things in my head. Something like maybe Wonder Woman, or something like Alauddin Khilji in female version. Imagine, that will be such a swaggy character. I want to do that. Yeah, I use Mamaearth's products. I have a combination of some, one of them. Your wall art is nice. Are you cute? Chetna, my next TikTok is today, thanking and wishing like where you're going. Varun is in the living room. He's playing PUBG. I don't know, PUBG or I think NBA 2K. Waiting for my new TikTok. Really, guys, TikTok is something I just do it for fun. And you'll never see me doing those say slow-mo shots or something, because that is a little funny for me. I like to do interactive stuff or some pranks or something like that. Oh, you guys are watching Ace of Space. Oh my god, that show is embarrassment. इतने सारे ड्रीम कैचर्स इसलिए लगाए हैं क्योंकि जो भी मैं कंट्री में जाती हूँ मैं वहां से एक ड्रीम कैचर उठा के ले आती हूँ. Thank you guys. You all wanna connect with me? Let's see if I can connect someone. Okay, I got one. Decline. I added somebody and it's just... Okay, let me try one more time. Fan pages, I'll do a separate live with you all. Today is everybody's day, please. Okay, let's see if Khushbu is online. Waiting. Hi, Yogesh. Hi. Oh, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing? Where are you from?
Hello.
What are you doing? Where are you from? Hello.
Doing. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Fine. What are you doing?
I was doing some household work. थोड़ा घर का काम किया. उसके बाद अभी मैंने मेकअप लगाया और मैं बैठ गई लाइव सुनने के लिए. मैं लाइव पे आ गई ताकि मैं आप सबसे बात कर सकूं. आज मेरा दिन बहुत लेट शुरू हुआ क्योंकि मैं बहुत लेट उठ रही हूँ अपनी मर्जी से और मैं बहुत टाइम पास कर रही हूँ.
She is your big fan.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much. You must be around someone from 2 million definitely. आप लोगों ने मेरा बहुत support किया है. So I just wanted to thank you all and keep supporting like this.
Let me take one screenshot.
Please do it. Done?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello. DM check करना.
हाँ.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, you are not asking me anything. मुझे यही problem होती है because I don't know how to take a life forward. I can do it for work. I can't do it for myself. Oh, this keeps changing. I don't know. Okay, let's see if we have Moksha online for us. Hi, Sabina. Hi, Tendra. How are you? Okay. Hi. Oh. Okay, that was embarrassing. What makes you laugh the most, Varun? Prank failed 100 times because he knows most of my plans and pranks. मेरी limit पता है उसको. That's the problem. YouTube, guys, YouTube, we wanted to focus our channel on traveling and वो तो हो नहीं पा रहा है तो इसलिए YouTube का वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिले होगा, but it's okay. My upbringing was very strict and very what do I call, very family oriented, very disciplined. Hi Conan, how are you? No, I will not meet Vikas. Alive? Oh god, don't say that. Wait, let me connect. There are many people asking to connect, so. Okay. Let's see if we have Gaurav online. Okay, connecting. Hi.
हाय
कैसे हो गौरव?
बढ़िया। आप कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया। क्या कर रहे हो?
कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही।
ऐसे ही।
हाँ,
कहाँ के हो आप? From where you from?
पंजाब।
पंजाब का
लुधियाना।
है? ओहो,
हाँ जी।
लुधियाने का है। Oh God, I
हाँ
miss
जी।
अमृतसर so much. मैंने इतनी याद आती है ना अमृतसर दी पर की तरह इतने फंस गया। There's always one time in this year where I go and मैं जानी हाँ Golden Temple पर हुंदा
वन
नहीं होता।
स्क्रीनशॉट।
Please ले लो। Done?
डन।
Thank you so much for following me. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ follow ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। Thank you so much. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੱਜ 2 million ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਆ। ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ thank you ਬੋਲਣਾ ਸੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ।
वन।
Thank you. Bye.
बाय।
Okay, guys, you all get awkward when I call you. Okay, let me add one fan page. I'm adding just one fan page and I'm leaving. I have to go and work out. One second. Did I see somebody? Is Akshita online? I don't know. Akshita might be busy. मैंने ऐसे इसको भेज दिया। मुझे बहुत डांटेगी वो। Okay, let me add a fan page. Okay. Hi. How are you?
Hi, Dee. I'm
You're
fine.
so cute. Oh,
Thank you.
you're so cute. Where are you from?
I'm
I know
from
I've
Delhi.
spoken to you a lot, but our viewers also
Yeah.
need to know where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
You're from Delhi, and what do you do?
I'm in school right now.
Hmm?
So, 11th grade.
Okay. यार हमारे यहाँ 11th को college बोलते हैं.
Hi, no, Mumbai.
Junior
like,
college बोलते हैं. And anytime I'm chatting with a Delhi person, they're like अभी तो हम स्कूल में हैं, मतलब कौन सी क्लास में? 12th में. मतलब वो तो junior college होता है. तो हमेशा हमारा ये पंगा होता है.
You know, अभी
But yeah.
I haven't exactly gone to 11th क्योंकि मेरे बोर्ड्स postpone हो गए. तभी पता नहीं.
Oh my God, this will be scary ना for you guys.
It's
to
very
wait.
scary. आधे हुए आधे नहीं हुए. मतलब पार्टी भी नहीं कर सकते. पढ़ने का मन
कुछ भी
नहीं
नहीं कर सकते हैं पर पार्टी कर लो. पार्टी कभी भी कर सकते हो. पढ़ाई का इतना स्ट्रेस मत लो.
कर सकते हैं. आज
I am telling you things that you've done in stress in your life. वो आगे तुम कभी फिर वो कर ही नहीं पाते हो. You know, you only the things that you enjoy and कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हारी किस्मत तुम्हें वही प्रोफेशन में डाल देगी. I believe that. तुमको क्या बनना है?
Actor.
Actor बनना है? So are you working on something for that?
Yeah, so in school, like as an extra subject, we had an option of drama. So I've done productions and stuff, and I want to start with MTV for sure. आपको देख के अब मुझे तो यही बनना है.
Oh, I am so glad my fan pages are also doing something for themselves. क्योंकि पूरा दिन मेरे पीछे लगे रहते हो तुम लोग, and I feel like पता नहीं मैं ये बच्चों के पेरेंट्स मुझे बोल रहे होंगे that because of Divya she's always on the phone.
नहीं
ऐसा होता है घर पे? गालियाँ पड़ी हैं तो ये क्या है पूरा दिन फोन पे?
नहीं दिल है कि तो पागल है, इसको छोड़ दो.
But thank you so much, Bacha. I love you all, and I would also like you all to do something what you love and like apart from me being in your life. So
अच्छा, we had a
please.
question.
अच्छा बोलो.
आप हर बार दिल्ली आते हो, मीटअप नहीं करते?
बेबी मैं ना दिल्ली आती हूँ तो मैं चली जाती हूँ ग्रेटर नोएडा सीधा वरुण के घर.
हाँ पता है.
तो ग्रेटर नोएडा से दिल्ली लेके आने वाला कोई नहीं होता है मुझे, और मुझे दिल्ली में इतना डर लगता है तो मैं कहीं जाती नहीं हूँ अकेले. और अगर मैं कहीं अकेले जाऊं भी तो फिर लाइक इट्स जस्ट दैट कि आई गो दिल्ली फॉर हार्डली 3-4 days, एंड वो 3-4 days में देन आई मीट वरुण's फैमिली, आई मीट मम्मा, आई मीट पापा, आई मीट डॉलर, समायरा, अक्षता. सो आई फील लाइक कि उन लोग के साथ ही इतना टाइम निकल जाता है, और फिर हम लोग उनकी फैमिलीज बीच मतलब हम जाते रहते हैं उनके फैमिलीज के घर में, लाइक दादी के घर चले गए, कभी कभी बुआ के घर चले गए. सो मेरा आधा टाइम यही फैमिलीज में ही जाता है. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई कम आई विल आस्क कृतिका, बिकॉज शी इज द ओनली वन इन दिल्ली जो मुझे घुमाती है. तो कृतिका को मैं बोलूंगी कि मुझे लेकर जाए दिल्ली, और कृतिका की हेल्प से विल.
अच्छा, do you know like my friends and all? So
आपकी आवाज
हाँ.
आपकी आवाज चली गई, वापस करो.
अच्छा wait.
हाँ.
Can you hear me now? हाँ. So I was saying that my friends, you know, after Ace of Space came for a year only, I was quoting Varun की dialogues एक साल तक, हर चीज. Crush पे try करना है वो ही करूँगी.
हाँ.
And my friends are like ये पागल हो गई, they've lost hope with me. Like my every account, home screen, lock screen, everything is you. Right now they're seeing this live, now वो पागल हो जाएंगे.
Oh God, I'm so glad. Thank you so much. What made you guys really follow me? Because I don't understand myself at all. मुझे नहीं पता
I think
क्या.
you're a lot
मुझे
like
तो सिर्फ
me.
इतना
You know,
लगता है,
like that.
मुझे इतना लगता है, I'll tell you, मेरी नजर से मुझे क्या लगता है कि हाँ मेरे साथ बाबा जी है, and he is making me do all these good things in life, and that's why people love me. That's it. Always, always.
Yes,
So
I
बस.
think the reason I like you a lot is because you're a lot like me, you know, like energetic, thoda ऐसे, and like very dramatic Punjabi, and I love dance. I learned dance.
भाई ये तो ना मैं बचपन से ही करती आई हूँ यार. मैं मूवी देखी थी मैंने बचपन में, ताल और दिल तो पागल है, और जो मैं पागल हुई हूँ उसके बाद में ना मैंने डांस ही करना है. एंड देन देयर यूज्ड टू बी वन फैमिली, हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स होते थे, उनकी बेटी यूज्ड टू गो टू डांस क्लासेस, ठीक है. और वो डांस क्लासेस जाती थी ना, तो मेरे को लगता था हाँ यार मेरे को भी जाना है. तो मम्मी बोलती थी चुपचाप घर पे बैठ जाओ, पैसे नहीं है डांस क्लास के, ठीक है. लाइक ये तो बहुत रूड बात हो गई यार, मेरे को तो सीखना है. देन मैं क्या करती थी, मैं टीवी पे गाने लगाती थी, एंड आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट कॉपी दी एक्टर्स, जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, मैं उन सबको कॉपी करती थी. से करते 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 फिर एक दिन मैंने स्कूल में एकदम ऐसे स्टार बन गई थी मैं स्कूल की, जब मेरे से सारे डांस सीखने आते थे. तो बस फिर तो मैं चढ़ गई ना, मैं सही डांसर हूँ. अभी भी आई डोंट बिलीव दैट आई एम अ वेरी गुड डांसर, बट आई नो कि मैं दिल से डांस करती हूँ ना, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है बस.
सेम लाइक टिकटॉक आजकल तो सिर्फ डांस, पूरे दिन वही करते हैं.
मैं भी डांस कर रही हूँ यार टिकटॉक पे. इट्स एडिक्टिव. लाइक डांसिंग अच्छी है. आई डोंट लाइक दोस कंटेंट वेयर यू नो आप ऐसे ओवर पागल हो रहे हो कैमरा के आगे, वो मुझे नहीं पसंद. मस्ती ठीक है, वो तो मैं इस पे भी करती थी, स्टोरीज पे भी करती थी.
Yeah, I keep seeing them.
हाँ. So thank you so much बच्चे.
Thank
I love you,
I
and
love you more.
please follow your dreams.
Yeah.
है ना, मैं जीता जाता
Maybe
एग्जाम
one
दूँ.
day I'll be in a movie with you.
Oh, very good. I will definitely do that. Anything for you guys.
Actually,
You guys have really.
कर देना, because I'm from my iPad. I can't screenshot right now.
Oh, okay, madam.
Thank you. Love you.
नहीं बंद कर दिया. Bye. Okay. Okay. This fan page is going to come. What? You decline? Okay. Goals. connecting. I don't know what is wrong with my Wi-Fi. Tia. Tia is. I'm waiting for Tia. Tia Kataria. Okay, we got her. Hi Tia, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good Tia. क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing?
Nothing. I was just studying, and then I got up to the live video time right now.
Oh,
A lot of
so
study pressure
did
now.
I disturb you?
No,
So how are you doing? What are you studying? कौन सी class में?
I'm doing good. I've just been a big fan of yours. I just started seeing Ace of Space again, the repeat episodes.
That's very embarrassing. I'll tell you. जब मैं गुस्सा होती थी, मतलब मैंने थोड़े बहुत clips अपने देखे हैं बाहर आके, मैंने ये कौन सा जानवर है यार? This is not me. I mean that house, that show can do you so much, do so many things to your head. मतलब आप सोचो ना, अब हम क्वारंटीन में हैं. At least we have television. At least we have phones. You know, उधर we did not even have sunlight.
Yeah, that I was thinking. How could you even live in such an environment?
I don't know how we all survived. Like really, hats off to all those contestants. Season 1 के भी, season 2 के भी, उन्होंने कैसे survive किया the game. I don't know. So when I think about quarantine, अभी जो dalgona coffee है, we used to do that all the time in the house. आधी से ज़्यादा conversation में आप लोग देखोगे हम लोग चम्मच और मग्गा पकड़ के लगे हुए रहते थे. So we used to do all of that. हाँ. And अभी देख रहे हैं हम, अभी देख के लोगों को बोलते हैं ये तो हम कर चुके हैं, ये तो हम कर चुके हैं. So yeah.
Even I used to, when I see Ace of Space, I'd be like, this is so easy, but actually it's not that easy. I can understand.
But वहाँ पे हमारे पास टाइम होता था ना बेटा, तो हम लोग फेंटे जाते थे कॉफी, फेंटो.
Oh, even I want to do reality shows when I grow up and be like one of
Please
you.
do, and please keep your head cool, because मैंने reality shows करके फिर भी बहुत गलतियाँ की है उसमें. Even after experiencing one reality show, I still did mistakes in the second one. वो तो मैं जीत गई तो मैं बच गई वरना. But that's also because of all of you all, because you all supported me really. The whole point was I'm just honest. Whatever I feel like, whatever I want to say, I just say it. I don't think. That's my problem. I don't know that's a problem or that's a good thing, but yeah.
No, that's a good thing in you.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the contribution today. I'm really happy. I have 2 million people with me, standing by my side, so I feel really good. And you are one of them, so thank you.
Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Oh God, you all give me so much strength in life. You all give me really a lot of strength in life, and thank you so much for everything. Varun! Okay, let's go live. Will you come live with us? I'm just connecting Audrey. Once I connect. Hi Audrey! What's up, baby? कैसी है? How are you?
How are you? Long time.
I will call you after this live. I have to tell you so many things.
I need to talk to you. कितने सारी चीजें बात करनी. There's so much. We need to catch up. Yeah.
God, I swear. So guys, let me tell you, Audrey is the one who taught me anchoring, and she's younger. तू मुझसे छोटी है ना एक साल?
हाँ, 26 उम्र.
हाँ, you're younger to me, and yet we met in a college campaign जहाँ पे हम एक brand के लिए हम लोग रास्ते पे खड़े होके mic पे, hey, hello, would you like to play some games with us? Please come here. Please stand here. Do this, do that. And Audrey, guys, she was so confident about just picking somebody randomly and just talking and like, ये तो मेरी कल की दोस्त है. And I'm like, wow, this is some talent. And I just picked it up from her. And our journeys have been quite similar. Indian Princess attempts for Miss India. तो Miss India Goa भी है भाई. So you really went that far. So how are you? How's Mama? How's everybody?
Good, yeah, everyone's good. I mean, जो सबके साथ चल रहा है वही चल रहा है. Mom,
I know it's upsetting, but it's okay. For me, I'm okay. I've got a break after so long. You know, Audrey, we've been working like crazily. You know, हमारे schedules ऐसे होते थे, but now I'm like so happy. ठीक है, चल रहा है.
you were also shooting or something, na? How did that go? मतलब,
Baby, that just stopped. Pause. Everything is on hold.
shit.
So yeah, I was really looking forward for that series, but कोई बात नहीं अभी. हाँ, you know it ना. तो वही I'm just waiting कि वापस जब lockdown खुलेगा तो I'll do it.
Damn, man, bro. But
And
how
you're
did-
taking some online grooming classes, guys. Audrey is taking some online grooming classes. You all want to be a model, actor, something glamorous. You all want to be? Please go and follow Audrey and please follow her classes. And she's definitely one of the best mentors I know.
Thanks, yeah. Thank you so much. Varun कहाँ है? How's
Varun यहाँ है?
कहाँ है?
Varun यहाँ है? Varun यहाँ है?
Hey, you! What up?
कितना नींद में देख. He edited a video of me जो मैं आज रात को अपलोड करने वाली हूँ. पूरी रात बैठ के मैंने इसको तंग किया. ये वाला वीडियो, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. तो उसकी हालत देख.
बेचारे को बहुत तंग करती है तू. उसको शक्ल देख कर तो
ये मुझे तंग करता है ऑड्री. You know it. हद है अभी तू भी.
believe नहीं करेगा. That's the only
All my girlfriends take Varun's side only. I don't know why.
I'm a nice guy.
Look at him. Look at his face. No, look at that.
इसका जो इतना innocent बच्चों वाला face है ना, everybody loves that. मतलब मेरे TikTok पे भी half of the comments are Varun is looking so cute. मेरा swag नहीं दिखता ना को. Varun is looking very
Because
cute.
I am.
अच्छा जी, he is.
Look at that cuteness. वो ना आते ही ऐसे innocent सा बैठ जाता है ऐसा. Look at aren't you all missing mom and dad? Varun?
I am missing. He is missing his dog.
I'm missing my dog. Yeah. That's it.
I am missing mom, dad. They are like 45 minutes away from my house and I still can't go.
Haven't you stepped
yeah.
out? बिल्कुल नहीं निकली बाहर.
हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे. Actually, वरुण का कोई शूट चल रहा था and we came from the shoot and that is also a very big news which I'm waiting for. तो वरुण का जैसे ही ये लॉकडाउन खुलेगा उसका भी एक न्यूज़ है which everybody will know. So we were there shooting for that same purpose and हम लोग बीच में भाग के आ गए. तो yeah, जब से आए then we stayed here in this house for 14 days कि you know we shouldn't meet anybody, we just traveled. और फिर उसके बाद तो ये गैप हो ही गया फिर.
यार ये तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. It's just I don't know. Man.
Today I'm waiting for 8 p.m. Let's see what happens.
I hope there's something that comes out of good. Yeah.
I hope that too. Chal then Audrey, see you. I'll just call you after this live.
Please call me. I'll talk to you. There's a lot of gup to give.
Lot of gossips I want to discuss. Bye.
Hey Nitin, what's up?
Okay, so here's Varun for you guys.
Hi.
आपसे बात करनी है लोगों को.
अच्छा.
They've been telling me call Varun.
Talk about what?
This is why I wrote in my story. No hi, no hello, no fans. ये वो just talk. Okay. So now that you guys are not talking, so I'll go and I'll work out. We have to work out. He's waiting for me. So once we are done, we'll again upload a video which Varun made for me. It's like a small gift for 2 million fans. Lately I just wanted to thank you all. Varun, I just wanted to thank you all that you all have always been there for me. So I love you all and thank you so much for supporting us in this idiot. Bye.